That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh my God. Tristan, are you okay?
Okay.
Your head. Your head. Don't move.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Don't move.
I'll put something on it.
Don't like stay lean.
Right, Lana, put pressure on it now. Now, I need to be sitting up, okay?
This one?
No. There'll be some alcoholic wipes. I need to have my head up, okay?
Okay.
Because if I'm going... I didn't trim my beard today. I didn't think I was going to do any major filming. Close-ups. Should have done that.
The blood comes in your eye.
Where?
In here.
What do you mean it comes in my eye?
The blood stuck inside the eyes.
Where?
Here, inside there.
There? Is it stemmed?
Yeah. Need to breathe. Take a little bit more time. Put more iodine in.
You can put a little bit on and like soak it up.